I'm going to write some of these out just in full, basically. It's a bit easier to compare place value then. So 0.959595. The next one, 1.050505. 0.960960. 1.040040. And finally, 0.955555. Okay, which one is closest in size to 1? Well, let's look at the ones above 1 to start with and see which is closer. And it's quite clear that this one here is going to be closer than that one because 4 is less than 5. So we can just basically eliminate this one. It's not something we have to worry about. And then we can do the same for the 0.9. So which is closer? So now I'm looking for the biggest one, in fact, and it's clearly going to be this one here. So I can, because I got 6, and on the others I've got 5. So I can get rid of both of those. So now I just need to think about which is closer. Well, this one is going to be, it's very close. It's 0.040 and so on away from it. But this one is going to be less than 0.040 away from it because we've got something. If you added 0.040, you'd get bigger than 1. And so I feel like that's just enough to go by, and we can go with an answer of C. You could do a subtraction. Subtracting recurring decimals is going to be what's unnecessary here. It's a bit complicated, but you could do that. Um, the first one's going to be quite easy to do, to be fair. This one here, because I sort of already did it. So let's say you didn't spot that. Then yeah, if you subtract 1 from this one, you're going to get 0.040040. Okay, now we need to do this other one. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.9600960. Now, normally when you do a subtraction, you start from the right-hand side, don't you? But this actually goes on forever. So probably the best way to do it is to kind of do like an adding on effect, essentially. So to think, what do I need to add on to get 1? So it's going to be 0.0. Actually, let me line it up a bit better so you can see. And I'm trying to basically get all nines across because this is a fun fact. 0.9 recurring is the same as 1. So I just make it all nines along the way and just keep going. I'm gonna get to 1. So 0.0, then it's going to be 3, 9, and then 0, then 3, 9, 0. And that's going to go on forever. And from this, you can see that this one's closer because that's less than that. Okay, so that's just a little fun fact how you can subtract recurring decimals. The first one was okay, subtracting 1, but when we have to subtract a recurring decimal from 1, it's obviously a little bit more complicated.